Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
I will walk you through the complete lost wax jewelry casting workflow step by step. Start by designing a wax model and attaching a 3.5 mm sprue to the base. Invest the wax assembly in a gypsum-based investment mixed to manufacturer ratios and vibrate to remove bubbles. Burn out the mold in a furnace until the flask reaches 700 degrees C and holds for 1 hour. Melt your metal carefully and pour immediately into the hot mold to avoid shrinkage. Quench the flask, then free the sprue and proceed to cleaning and finishing. Gather the right tools before you begin for safer and cleaner casting results. Use a gas torch, induction furnace, or centrifugal caster with a ceramic crucible to melt metals. Remember that silver melts at 961 degrees C and gold melts at 1064 degrees C, so monitor temperatures precisely. Use flux sparingly, typically under 3% of your charge, to remove oxides during melting. Always wear a P100 respirator, leather gloves, eye protection, and an apron to protect from splatter. Run work under a fume hood or strong local exhaust ventilation to capture fumes. After casting, separate the sprues and remove excess investment with a soft hammer and brushes. Soak the raw casting in a warm pickle solution for 5 to 10 minutes to remove oxides and scale. Rinse well and inspect for seams, then file and sand through grits starting at 240 and progressing up to 1200 for a smooth finish. Use polishing compounds like Tripoli, then rouge and buff each piece for 2 to 5 minutes. Finish with an ultrasonic clean for 5 to 10 minutes, and apply patina or stone setting as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.